Hey, in front of me is XIAOMI 12T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage app lock on this smartphone. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down. Then choose Apps section. Following that, click on App Lock at the bottom and choose Turn On. Then create your pattern that you will use to unlock your apps. When you're ready, you need to repeat it in order to confirm it and tap on Next at the bottom right corner. Then you can add your Me account or choose Not Now and tap on Not Now in the pop-up. Now finally, if you wish to lock all of those apps, just tap on Use App Lock. If you don't, you need to click on all of them and tap on Use App Lock then. If you want to use your fingerprint to unlock your apps as well, tap on Settings and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. I will go with Cancel though. So now, just click on the switcher next to an app that you wish to lock. I will go with YouTube and wait. When I go back and try to access YouTube app, as you can see, pattern is now required. If you wish to disable lock from your app, go into exactly the same settings, enter your pattern and tap on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!